In this video now we are going to know about neighborhood reactions. Here neighborhood reactions are different. So let's talk about this neighborhood reactions. Neighborhood reactions. Neighborhood reaction. Here let's talk about the neighborhood reaction, that is Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction. Okay. So what is Finkelstein reaction? Okay. Generally we know that alkyl halides. Yes, alkyl group with halide is alkyl group with halide, that is alkyl halide. Yes, this is alkyl, this is halide. Alkyl halide groups which is reacts with sodium iodide. This is sodium no iodide, sodium. In the presence of dry acetone. Okay, dry acetone. What is this dry acetone? CH3CO CH3. What is dry acetone? CH3CO CH3. Okay, here alkyl halide, when it is reacts with sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone, which will form alkyl iodide. Okay, alkyl iodide. This is alkyl group. Iodide will form. Okay, alkyl halide will form with Na sodium halide. Okay, this is the reaction which is Finkelstein reaction. See here, alkyl halides, alkyl halide, alkyl group with halide, alkyl halides which reacts with sodium in the presence of dry acetone. Okay, and which will form alkyl iodide. Okay, alkyl iodide. Okay, this reaction is nothing but Finkelstein reaction. Here we can take alkyls like CH3, C2, CH2, CH3. Okay, we can write this as a C2H5 also. Okay, and halides we can chlorine, bromine we can write, and for this we can write the examples for Finkelstein reaction. So here what is Finkelstein reaction? Yes, Finkelstein reaction is nothing but when alkyl halides. What is alkyl halide here? Rx, which reacts with the sodium iodide. Okay, sodium iodide. Yes, in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry acetone. Okay, dry acetone is CH3CO CH3 here, and forming alkyl iodide. Yes, forming here alkyl iodide. So this is the Finkelstein reaction. Here we are taking alkyl halides like alkyl halides. Alkyl groups are ethane, methane. Yes, no? CH3, C2, H5. These are. And the halides group like chlorine, bromine, which we are taking. Okay, for those we will write the examples here. So look here carefully how we are writing the examples for this. Okay, this is alkyl halide. Here we are taking alkyl. Yes, that is CH2, CH3. Yes, here halide chlorine. Okay, which is reacting with sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone. Yes, CH3CO CH3 we are taking and writing the compound as that alkyl iodide. This is alkyl, this is iodide. Okay, now we are writing CH2 CH3 the iodide along with here NaCl. Yes, left over, that is NaCl. We can write for the bromine also in the same way. Yes, in the same way. See here CH2 CH3. Here bromine we are taking, which is reacting with sodium iodide. Sodium is Na, no? Sodium iodide in the presence of same dry acetone, and we are getting the compound here CH2. Yes, CH3 iodine along with here NaCl. No? Yes, here come to here bromine. halogen group is. So NaBr we are getting. So these are the kind of examples of Finkelstein reaction, and moreover we can also write some other examples here. Those are like, if we'll take that benzyl chloride, yes, if we take this chlorine group, this is benzyl chloride, okay, chlorine group, which is reacting with sodium iodide in the presence of what? Triacetone, yes, dry acetone. What is diacetone now? CH3, COCH3 is diacetone, and the forming the compound is here Cl. Instead of Cl, here we can write the chlorine, yes, chlorine here, iodine, alkyl groups with iodine. No, we are getting now here the leftover is NaCl. We can write NaCl here. Yes, these are the examples which are related for the Finkelstein reaction and how we are writing. And what is the Finkelstein reaction is here? Nothing but alkyl halides. This is alkyl group, halide group. Alkyl halides which are reacting with sodium iodide. Yes, NaCl, NaI. Yes, and here in the presence of dry acetone, we are getting the alkyl iodide. This is the reaction, that is Finkelstein reaction, and these are the examples we have done with this reaction, and we can know about the other reaction also here. We have to know, that is I am going to explain you about the Woods reaction. Yes, Woods reaction, which is also easy. How it is, I'll write, okay, Woods reaction. This is also other type of named reaction. So now we are learning named reactions. Now this is second one, Woods reaction. Yes, in Woods reaction what happens? Alkyl halides which will react with the sodium, okay, and the forming compound, that is alkane. When alkyl halides which reacts with sodium and which will form alkane, and from this we can write this, the reaction is alkyl halides. Yes, alkyl group with halides. Yes, okay, which will react with the sodium, okay, here in the presence of dry ether, here we are getting alkanes, okay, alkanes. See, if suppose if a single bond is present between two carbons, that is an alkane, okay, alkane, okay. If double bond present between two carbons, that is in alkene, we can write, okay. If triple bond is present between two carbon atoms, that is ine, so alkane, okay. We must know about this. Yes, this is simple only. For single bond is N, double bond is in, triple bond is ine, when which is present between two carbon atoms. Yes, so it is about the bonds N, in, ine. Here we are getting alkane which is with a single, so alkane we are getting, and the leftover is 2NaX, sodium halide. Yes, which is clear cut. Is okay. Here see, we can write the examples. And what is the Woods reaction here? Alkyl halide. This is alkyl halide. Yes, same alkyl halide which is reacting with sodium and forming alkane. When here the carbon, what are the atoms of the carbon present at this alkyl halide, which will be double at the alkanes. So how it is the doubling, we can see with the example here. So here we are taking the alkanes like a CH3 or we can take C2H5. Yes, no, here halogens like a chlorine, bromine we can take, and we can write the example here clearly. Okay, everyone we know about this alkanes and the halogen groups very well. So see here alkyl halides. Now alkyl we can take that CH2, CH3. Here what is the halogen? For suppose I am taking here chlorine, okay, you can write for bromine also. First we are writing with chlorine and which is reacting with the sodium, okay. The same way here halogen we are taking chlorine, here alkyl group is CH2 CH3. Yes, here we are getting the compound that is alkane, here this alkane, this, here this one, here doubling to the reaction how it is C, just CH2, here this CH2 CH3, yes, here CH2 CH3, this one you know alkane, this alkane, all single bonds, so alkane we got the compound that alkane along with here Cl 2Cl 2Na, so we can write that 2NaCl. Yes, instead of chlorine we can write with the bromine also this Woods reaction, so that is also how to write. See, simply we can replace this with bromine. See, bromine, here also we'll get bromine, here also we'll get bromine. So how simple it is. So we can write the examples like this, chlorine, bromine, and also we can get this Woods reaction how the carbon atoms are doubling there. We can see here clearly. So this is the type of reaction, Woods reaction, type of named reaction we can know in this video. So